There's a wolf in the pale moonlight. She stands alone as she prepares to fight a battered spirit full of regret. She is broken, but she ain't dead yet. Over her broken bones and body, she'll fight and she is finally ready. This life is ready for the taking. She's taking it back. Oh, tonight she's gonna take what's hers, and she will fight because she's lived and learned. She's gonna sing tonight, gonna fight. Oh, this time she's not afraid to die. She's not afraid to die. Alone is a scary place, but her soul, she won't let him take. All she wants is the freedom to be a wild spirit, but he loves to watch her bleed. Over her broken bones and body, she'll fight and she is finally ready. This life is ready for the taking. She's taking it back. Oh, tonight she's gonna take what's hers, and she will fight because she's lived and learned. She's gonna sing tonight.
Men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines. You have the power to make this life free and beautiful.
Oh, tonight
The way of life can be free and beautiful.
I need to just be heard.
Free and beautiful.
I will fight
The way of life can be free and beautiful.
because I've lived and learned. I'm gonna sing tonight.